Okay. Yup, yup, yup. Oh, it made some noise. Just no movement yet. Alright, here we go. Slow, slow moving. Here we go. Yep, yep, yep. Everyone's freaking out. Boom. Man, it's like Final, what's that? What's that movie? That Final Fantasy or something like that? Here we go. Some more power lines. Loves power lines when it comes to demo, it seems. Power lines are everywhere, though. It's kind of a problem. Oh, oh, it's tweaking. Going towards the train tracks. Boom. Not good. Definitely not good.
I don't think trains are gonna come through here for a little bit.